the wig that I'm going to be wearing today is Myfirstwig. And you know, I'm not new to Myfirstwig. I really like Myfirstwigs because I feel like the quality of the hair is a lot better. I actually kind of like Myfirstwigs just a little bit more than 𝐅𝐵𝐞 wigs. I don't know why, I just do. But you get this box with every wig. And here is this sleeve that the wig came in. I really like this because I actually store the wigs in here and it keeps them nice. And I really like that the plastic is in there for traveling purposes because you never know, it might be raining in your area and your wig is secure and nice. And it did have this net over it. It did come with some wig caps. And being that Myfirstwig caters to new wig wearers, it comes with like this kit here. A lot of you have been saying that my wig didn't come with this kit. I don't know if this is like an extra accessory that is sold separately or not, but they do offer this. It comes with bobby pins in here. There is like a wig pamphlet, and then mine did come with like a wig head, a plastic pink wig head to store your wig on. And this pamphlet kind of tells you, you know, everything that you need to know as far as like wearing your wig for the first time. It makes it nice and easy. It does come with this comb. I have a bunch of these combs. I really love these combs. I use these combs for other things as well. And it does come with two kind of like clips, which is very helpful. And an elastic band that I use sometimes, and sometimes I don't use it, but putting this elastic band in your wig, it really helps with making your wig look really nice and natural. So I really like this little bag here. So let's go ahead and get started. The wig, now I've noticed too, it does come with this this frizz tamer. It's like a little frizz tamer, and it just kind of helps with the flyaways because these wigs do have flyaways. But I use my own product. So this wig that I'm wearing today, I do wash my wigs every time I get a wig from any company because it just styles way better, and I just let it air dry. So this wig is like a really blunt short bob, which I haven't had yet. So I'm really excited to kind of like put this on and play with it. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, I'm gonna do 2 wig caps, and the inside of my wig cap, one's tan and the one on top is brown, because I just kind of like the coloring of this one better for myself. So I just always kind of do 2. And my hair is braided. Someone else braided my hair for me because I'm not the best braider when I have nails. So I had someone braid my hair for me, and my wigs have been laying, okay? That's why I have not washed my hair, girl, since April 24th is when I got these. No, April 27th is when I got these braids put on. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and take my wigs. Like I said, I always wash the wigs first because I feel like you're able to manipulate them better, and they just lay better, and they just look overall better. They don't have that stiff feel when you're trying to style them straight off the box. So with Myfirstwigs, this does have 3 combs in it, and it does have lace at the bottom. It's a lace front. As you can see, you can part it pretty much anywhere in the front half, but the back is not lace. And I feel like the lace goes back pretty far, so as you can see, it goes all the way back, so this is gonna look real natural. So I'm gonna put this on first. It does have adjustable straps, which I'm gonna adjust right now. So when I do wash them, I wash it and I condition it. I let the conditioner sit for about, the minimum I let it sit is for 15 minutes, and the maximum I let conditioner sit on a wig is like a day. And I feel like the longer that I've left a wig sitting in conditioner, the better it looked. But I wouldn't recommend that because you can get product buildup on the wig after a while. So you just kind of have to be careful. I don't really do that too often. I tend to leave the conditioner on wigs longer when I first get it, just because it just depends on how the hair feels. And you know, it normally kind of like revives the hair once I let it, you know, the conditioner sit on. And I like to use Paul Mitchell products. It's an Alpha-Fill or Idlewild, something like that, girl. I put it in the description, but those products work really well on this hair. It really, like, it's like the smoothing products. So let's see if I like this first. The parting is a little off, so I gotta fix the parting. But this I can see this is about to be cute. So I always try the wig on before you start cutting the lace, because you don't know if you're gonna like it yet. And it doesn't appear that this hairline is pre-plucked. So you would definitely have to do some plucking if you want to wear the hairline back. I'm not gonna do that because I don't like plucking. It does look a little plucked, but it's not plucked how it could be. You get what I'm saying? To have it look really like super, super, super duper natural. You can see. So when I cut, I kind of do like jagged edges, just so it looks a little natural, so it won't look like a straight up line. And I actually messed up this part because in the middle I like to leave like a slight little kind of like an oval right here, because I just noticed when I do kind of like paste the front down, it just looks more natural. Like it looks so good because it just blends in easier. So I'll leave a little peak right here because I need to fix my part. See how my part's crooked? I'm just gonna cut this. I really don't really care too much about the sides because, ooh, don't cut your real hair. Cause no one's gonna see the sides. Did I cut my hair? No, I didn't cut my hair. Okay, so that's done. I really don't worry about cutting the lace off the nape because I'm not gonna put this wig up. No. So, all right, so that is pretty much done. So I need to fix this parting. So you see, I air dried this wig, but I parted it crooked. So I gotta fix the part. I got this comb from Sally's, and I like to use these kind of combs when I flat iron my wigs. Now it's not gonna lay right because I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to do to get it to lay. That's better. So I'm gonna take this wig off. First I'm gonna spray it with some hairspray. This is a Sebastian hairspray and it's like a super soft hold, but it like holds great. Look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna take the wig off, and as you can see I parted it where I wanted it to. So to get the tops to lay really flat, I'm gonna take my flat iron, and this flat iron is on 410, and I'm just gonna flat iron the lace right here. Boom, it's like super flat. I'm gonna take this side and just flat iron it flat. And of course comb it where you need to comb it to make sure it looks natural. But this is how I get the tops to lay pretty flat. So I'm just gonna flat iron it. So now it's flat. So far this hair feels really good. I do notice that one side of the hair is longer than the other, which is okay. So I always start off, I'm going to use my 𝐢𝐠 Silk Conceal because I feel like this works really well with these wigs. So I'm just going to go ahead and pin this away. And I start off with the back. Pin this up on the other side and proceed to flat iron. So let's get busy. Alright, so now I'm going to continue to do the rest of the back. And the reason why I like to do sections is because like you'll get a neater finish and it'll just look better, because I get a lot of like comments in the comment section saying, oh, my wig doesn't look like that when I style it or when I do it. I feel like it definitely has everything to do with washing it, conditioning it, and the way you flat iron it, and maybe what you use when you flat iron it. I like to use my 𝐢𝐠 stuff and my Sebastian hairspray, and the temperature that your iron is on. The iron that I use is the 𝐞𝐞 iron, so I feel like a lot of those play a factor in how the wig overall looks. So let me go ahead and finish the rest, and I'll come back when I come to the front. Alright, so the hair is completely flat ironed, and one side definitely is a little longer than the other, but I feel like you really have to be looking. So I could easily kind of like even that out. And I noticed that I probably do have to cut the lace around the ears a bit to make sure it fits like even, but I didn't cut that right now, so I'm still trying to fill this wig out. So I am gonna take my Sebastian hairspray. This is like one of the last steps I always do with all my wigs, and just put it at the top. Even though they do have the wig tamer in here, I just prefer to use this because I like it and I've been using it for a long time. So I'll just spray the top down, make sure I get everything. I really like this wig. I do. I feel like this is a real cute summer. I like this because when it's the color, the consistency of no like splits in here, like there's minimal flyaways with this one. I feel like flyaways towards the front do make the wig look fairly natural. I don't want it to look crazy perfect, but you get what I mean. I like it. I like this one a lot. It's black. The density is perfect. It's not too much going on. You know, it almost looks like my hair as far as my natural length. I'm actually thinking about if I want to get like a blunt bob with my hair, because my natural hair is around this length but the front isn't. So I actually like this. This almost looks like my hair. So I'm gonna spray my comb like I always do and just kind of take it throughout the whole wig. This also helps with flyaways too. Just helps tame everything. But this wig, I feel like it's pretty, it's a good wig. Now I don't do baby hairs, so I'm just gonna leave that alone. And I really don't even have to glue. I feel I'm not gonna glue anything, but what I have been using lately is the 𝐖𝐢𝐠 wig glue, and it comes in this little thing. And what I would normally do, like say if I am going out, I would just put a little bit of glue right in the center here and then glue the lace down and really melt it into that skin with my makeup, and you can't even tell that I have a little bit of lace in the front. So, but what I am gonna do is take a little bit of LA Girl concealer, and I am gonna put it in the part. Just a little bit. Make sure I don't put too much towards the front because they just don't look right. take my finger and just kind of rub everything in. So also what I do is if I feel like this is a little too bright, I will take this brush, and this has a little bit of my foundation on it, and I'll just cover the lace up with some foundation and take it right here in the front and take it to the back too. See how I kind of toned everything down? I feel cute. Yes, I am here for this. This is super cute. I love this one. This is cute. So of course you can do your baby hair if you want to. I am not. But this is the wig. Real cute. I love this one. Oh, this is so cute. I cannot wait to wear this out. I'm not going nowhere. It's 12 o'clock at night on a Sunday. But you see that there? Yeah, this one's cute. I like this one a lot. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. All additional information about this unit is down in the description below. I really like this one for my first wig. I would suggest getting this one if you just want like an everyday wig. I feel like this is a good work wig, wear to work, pretty much all purpose. Only thing I could complain about is this side is longer and this probably needs to be evened out. So yeah. Yes, let me see if I pull it down on one side, does it even out a little bit? Yeah. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Like I said before, all information is in the description below, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.